Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're most welcome. I'm Peace from Uganda, the beautiful pearl of Africa. For the returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch the videos. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we prepare matooke, step by step. Let's go. Before we slope down, let us first marinate our chicken with some ginger, garlic, and dry muchoose mix plus some little salt, so that by the time we get back from preparing the matooke, this would have settled in very well. Matooke is the most important staple food in Buganda region. It is the most significant meal on important occasions such as introduction ceremonies. Traditionally, a meal in Buganda would be incomplete without the inclusion of matooke. In fact, so taken up are the Baganda with matooke that every word known as a mele of food means matooke. When identifying the mature bunch, you have to spot one which has dried banana leaves. When the dried banana leaves are visible, that means the matooke is mature. Cutting down the matooke, you have to make sure that you cut from the lowest section of the stem, and then you cut the stem into smaller pieces. After that, you dismantle the stem and leave it in the garden because it acts as manure later on. So the stem literally mulches the soil. That's like giving back to Mother Nature. It has given you a whole bunch of bananas, and dismantling the stem and leaving it on the ground so that it can act as manure is just the best way you can give back to Mother Nature. To prepare matooke for steaming, you have to have banana leaves. So we are going to go with them as well. For those of you living in cities, these are usually sold in bunches or singly. Make certain that they are reasonably mature, and the size will depend on the saucepan you choose to use. And when cutting banana leaves, you have to make sure that you leave at least 5 or 4 banana leaves on the banana plant. Don't cut all of them and you leave the plant starving. Be considerate. The other thing we are going to get is banana fibers because they are very important in preparing steamed matooke. After that, we are going to remove the stem. We are going to remove the middle part of the banana leaf stalk. That's part of preparing the banana leaves for our meal. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, give the video a like and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about today's beautiful video.
Obuddeyo kusaba musabye ereziya nebapeeti bavuddeyo.
When preparing matooke, place 2 banana fibers in a basket in a crosswise manner. Then place a well-prepared banana leaf within the basket to prevent the sap from going into the basket. Then proceed to peel your matooke neatly while you organize it in that particular banana leaf. one. When you're done peeling, neatly arrange the matooke and place 3 small banana leaves on top. These banana leaves are locally known as ovuvuvu, and they are used for serving food. And for elders' food, they are covered on top. Wrap the matooke with banana leaves and secure them firmly with banana fibers. Prepare the banana leaf stalks, locally known as omuzingonyo, and place them in a pan. Add enough water to the level of the stalks, and then carry the well-packed matooke into the saucepan. Then proceed to stack banana leaves on top of the other until you're satisfied that they fit snugly. Place the matooke on fire and let it cook for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Regularly check on the matooke to ensure that it does not run out of water to avoid burning. Banana leaves have turned brown. Remove the matooke, mash it, place it back into the saucepan and let it simmer on fire for a particular period of time. And when the food is ready for serving, remove it and serve it according to the way I'm showing you right here. This is how the whole meal turned out. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Give the video a like and drop a comment to let me know what you think about today's video, and to also let me know which video you'd love to watch from this particular channel. This particular meal was very, very delicious. We all enjoyed it. We all completed our food. You can also try preparing matooke with any other stew of your choice. I love you all. Bye.